now we have a problem. We don't have any video input. Or somebody on this side. Maybe I found a problem. We cannot publish the video. Important, Mate. Alright, right. Welcome back to the vlog. Today another car. It's a McLaren 570S, a black one, which is looking really beautiful. Here is Pascal, here is Danilo and Patrick, where we are going to shoot something in the night with the car, getting some rollers, and we are testing vintage lenses with the LiDAR system, as we're going to show you. We are excited to see how everything goes. Let's see how it looks when it rolls.
So what's the thing now?
Now we don't have any video input. It was working the whole time until now, and now we have to find the problem.
So walk us through what's the setup like.
You just have to wait right now. I'm sorry.
Okay.
I really have to think about what the problem can be.
So, but it worked before, right?
It worked before, yes.
And all of a sudden it doesn't. Or did you put the cable in the wrong spot? So we have Danilo again on the vlog. Welcome back. And there's a new one, Patrick.
The driver.
Maybe I found a problem. I don't know. It was a cable which was not
inserted correctly.
The orientation was not correct. Yes, it works.
Yeah, nice. Now you can walk us through.
What we have the DJI transmission mounted on a RS4. Transmission system is, as you know it's underneath. You need an adapter to power the LiDAR and the transmission. We have the focus motor of the LiDAR system. We mounted a Nucleus Nano for the iris,
Which is right here.
Yes, because right now we don't have two focus motors. We didn't take time to figure out how to do it with just the DJI stuff. It's on an RS4 and it's a Tilta alien arm.
Nice setup right there.
We are shooting on vintage lenses. They are from Ironglass. This is the 28mm. It's a Mir, an old Soviet lens. We have a 58mm Helios.
The
really
famous
nice
one, the 44-2, right?
Yes, they filmed Dune on it, or a part at least. Yeah. And we have a 135mm, which is going to be super tight. Yeah, let's see how it works with the autofocus. We are really excited to see if it works, how it works, and of course how it's going to look like.
Always getting the missing USB-C cable. Danilo is taking some behind-the-scenes pictures. Patrick is driving the car. All right, guys, quick walk around. 570 carbon fiber spoiler, red interior, which I don't like that much. Carbon fiber mirrors, as always. Sick car, right? How much do you like the inside of the car?
I don't like the inside of the car, actually. I like the exterior. It looks beautiful. The interior color is not my thing, but...
I wouldn't choose it.
Yeah, black would be more better. We are going to desaturate it in the video.
Quite a lot, black and white. And what about you, Danilo? Do you like the color?
The interior, no, it's a deal breaker for me, to be honest.
Really?
I would choose black.
It reminds me of an old BMW. It's almost like an American BMW, because a lot of Americans have these in red interiors.
Yeah, they like auto.
Yeah, they like red.
But now we have a problem because we said something negative. We cannot publish the video, you know?
Yeah, sure. We're gonna do it anyway.
The interior is beautiful.
It's the best interior ever.
Red, very good, good color.
Sadly, it's not more red.
Yeah, everybody likes it, basically.
Yeah, you like it too,
of course.
Right? Me too.
Best
I like it.
color ever.
It's the best color ever. Let's go, huh? Thing ever,
Best
man. God damn, bro.
interior. Now maybe it's going to peak a little bit because of the engine.
Oh yeah. Ah, there it is. As always. Okay. Oh shit. Let me get inside somehow. Ah. Oh my boy. God. Someone very small sat in here before.
My girlfriend.
Oh really?
Yeah, we are on the way to our first location.
It's gonna be a fun night, I guess. We have hopefully no rain on the autobahn.
Shouldn't rain. No,
Shouldn't.
I checked and there was no rain.
We should be lucky today. Okay, good. And the other guys are in the chase car. As always, we are in traffic.
Yes, it's 10:30 and there is traffic in Switzerland.
Yeah, it's kind of late, but we still have traffic. Maybe an accident or something else.
They said they are closing one track, but I would say Zurich is always busy and always a lot of cars.
All right.
All right. That's amazing.
Shit. Kind of a flex, man.
Damn, boy.
You got the rig.
He's
So,
thick.
what's going on right now? We arrived at the Rastplatz.
We have to put the rig on the car mount, then start rolling, but now it's too busy.
You can see in the background we had a traffic jam on the way to here, which is not good for what we want to accomplish today. Everything is as safe as possible. Setup is ready right now. Okay. Entschuldigung, ich bin der Vlog am machen with the DJI transmission.
We have
which is-
signal.
Patrick is controlling if everything is sitting tight and nicely. Safety is number one priority, you know. So he's walking in front of the camera and we see everything on the display here.
And
right
we
now.
can start recording also from the DJI transmission.
That's very nice. We're setting up the audio. We're trying to hide the mics. We are rocking the wireless GoPro mic. Kobe is actually going to hide them inside a compartment space or for the engine oil.
Let's try.
Yeah, let's see.
Good.
It's good. Yeah, perfect. DJI transmission in my hands. Let's sit in the car. Ja, musst noch weiter. Ja. Ja, geil. Oh, das Kabel ist im Weg. Quick recap. We did some laps on... Great. We did some laps with the setup. The guys are setting up the next lenses. We are shooting on the Helios now, on the 58mm 44-2. Then let's see what the boys are doing. The overall feeling with this setup?
The thing is, I was driving, but what I heard and what I saw, it looks really good. Also, the LiDAR is functioning quite well.
I was pretty blown away how it works, because that works so flawlessly. You almost forget that you have a manual old vintage glass in front of the camera, which is kind of insane, to be honest, because it enables so much, gives you so much as a camera operator. You don't have to always do the focus by yourself when it's dark again. Okay. Oh fuck. Let's see how this goes. Yo, look at that, behind the scenes of the behind the scenes. Sick.
Currently on our
Welcome back. We did the fifth run with the lenses, and overall it's working pretty flawlessly. We are setting up the 135mm mirror. 135mm mirror.
It's not.
It's not the
not a
mirror.
mirror, it's a
It's a
Jupiter.
Jupiter. Okay, sorry. Good. So 135mm Jupiter. What time do we have right now? 1:33 in the morning. So this is gonna be a super late. We're gonna be late at home. I'll see you now later. Alrighty, tidy. So we had a problem with the 135 Jupiter. Was a bit shaky, right, Kobe?
Yes, it was too shaky. It was too tight, and now we are switching. To darkness signal.
Switching to the 85mm Jupiter.
But unfortunately, if you use the RS4 Pro, you can only store 3 lens profiles, and not with the hand grip. You can store 15, but with this one only 3, and that's why I have to.
Kind of surprising to me.
Yes, I wrote with the support, and they said like, "Hey, we know this issue, and we are working on it." And yeah,
But not yet. As always.
but I cannot delete.
Oh, we deleted unfortunately all profiles. Oh,
Dark calibration.
Tiffin Black Chromist 104. Yeah, way too expensive.
the OG.
Focal length, stabilization.
So yeah, we are calibrating 85mm right now. And we need some light that we see where we focus. It's over 4 meters away.
Komm mal lauf mal nach vorne und tu deine Knie anleuchten.
Yeah. And this, my guys, is what you don't want to do on set if you're ever paid client. That's why we do testing. So yeah, it didn't work on the first time calibrating it, so we have to calibrate it a second time.
Yeah, looking good now.
Last run.
It's 2:11.
2:11. Okay, gonna be a long night. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, this is the end of the vlog. Thanks for watching. We just arrived at the last parking lot on the Autobahn. We did some shots with the 85, with the 135, with the 58 and the 28mm.
This is it, almost. Going back home.
Yeah, we have, what time do we have? Too late.
Yeah, too late. Yeah.
What?
36.
2:36. God damn it.
Let's grab some shots of the interior on the way home and then we are finished.
Yeah, then we wrap it up and yeah, say goodbye.
See you.
Thanks for watching. See you
Bye-bye.
next time and yeah, with the boys, huh?
The boys.
The boys. Bye.